It's Mike here, and today I want to talk about exactly how we can create a social media profile that attracts prospects, it attracts followers, it converts them to leads, and then you actually end up having them hand over their money for you to provide a service or a product, whatever it is you're selling. Now, what do we do in the beginning? Right, everyone starts with a blank canvas, and you need to follow these exact steps. There's only a few, but you need to get it right in order to convert and actually get money at the end of the day. In the beginning, very simple, very straightforward. Forward is your profile picture. Now, this goes for every platform. It goes for Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, X, whatever. Okay, your profile picture. See this here? I've a plain blank white wall. Stand like this, get someone to take a picture of you, just your face, take a selfie, whatever it is. And then what you're going to do is you're going to upload that to your laptop and then go to remove.bg. So remove.bg, very important here. It's a free software, and you're going to upload that image of you, of your face, to it. Now, what do you do then? Okay, you have essentially removed the background. It's a plain wall, but you've removed the background from that image. So now you just have your face. From there, next step, you're going to go to Canva. And in Canva, you're going to upload this image that you've just downloaded from remove.bg. Very simple, upload it. Then in Canva, you're going to put a background color on it. So you'll simply have a square like this. You'll have your image, very straightforward, smiley face and so on. And then you're going to click a setting up in the top middle area here, and it'll allow you to change the background color of that image. Now, this is important. For example, look at this. Blue lighting, right? That's my coloring, that's my theme. Okay, so for example, I could have a blue background. Simple, very straightforward to do that. Turn that on, then download that image. You have your face, you have a blue background, which will then be used as your profile picture. From that, you upload that into your profile, and you stand out like crazy. You've now started your branding, you're elevating that perception and the quality of your personal brand, okay? Now, that's the first step. From there, let's remove this. We'll keep it all up high. Next step is your banner. Now, again, you're going to use Canva. Very simple. And you're going to type into the search bar in Canva. Again, all of this is free, by the way, but you're going to type in and search up Twitter banner. Super straightforward. Twitter banner. Now, this is going to give you, honestly, 1,000+ samples, 1,000+ examples and use cases. So what you can do is pick one that you like. Again, it can be free. There's plenty of paid ones, but you don't need that. And you can go in and actually edit it. So you'll have your style. You're going to stick with the color of your branding that your profile picture has, because you need to be associated with that color and with that brand. But when you create that, you're going to have that banner explain something. First of all, on the bottom right hand side, you're going to say follow to learn, follow to grow, whatever it is you're offering. If you're teaching people, have learn. If you're teaching people how to grow a social media audience, have grow. Again, base it off what your offer is. But the main banner is going to have like this. You'll have your follow down here, and then you'll have, say, for example, landing pages for, I'm just shortening this, landing pages for agency owners. Right? You're going to, in one sentence, one short sentence, explain what you offer and who you offer it for. That's it. Okay? Very straightforward. That is your banner. Now, let's move on to part 3, and that is your bio. Now, with your bio. And again, this goes for all platforms, by the way. You need this for all platforms, and it follows the same strategy, the same meta. And with your bio, you're going to explain to people in a little bit of a longer line. You're going to expand on your banner. So this is why you need to do these things in order too. Your profile picture first, your banner next, and then your bio. So you're going to expand on your banner. Again, I build landing pages for agency owners that converts on an average of 20% higher than anything they've used prior. Guaranteed. Or else I'll work with you for 30 days free. Your bio is essentially your offer. That's it. Very straightforward. Underneath the offer, you're going to tell them, book a call. Straightforward, right? Follow me, okay? Bio is your offer, and then you need to tell them to book a call. Now, one final thing, something a lot of people do not do correctly, is their pinned post. Some people will have it as the greatest performing post, the latest post, things like that, thinking it'll perform even better. No. You need this as a competent thread. So competent thread or long form post. Long form. Or else you need it. That's option number one. Number two is social proof. Or your best case study. Ideally, if you can have it as a case study, you're going to convert people straight away, because they'll see this, they'll see the banner, they'll see the bio, they'll see your offer, and then you have a case study backing that up. All they have to do is scroll up again and book a call. You can convert people to a follower from your banner, because you'll tell people follow you. You can convert people from your bio to your thread, your pinned post, and then you can convert people from that to a book a call, right? So this is how you, in detail, create a good profile on primarily X, but honestly, every platform will work for you. You just have to be a little bit more adaptable. For example, LinkedIn, you'll have to expand more. TikTok, you can't give as much. YouTube, it's mainly links, things like that. There's an about section. But that is the idea, okay? So if you like this video, hit subscribe, hit follow, whatever platform you're watching on. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Ask them below and make sure you follow, okay? On to the next one. Take care.